Hi GlamFam, welcome back to the channel, besties. Today we are going to organize the pantry. Just kind of put things back in their place. You know, when you have kids and they are also using the pantry along with you, they don't put things back where they're supposed to go, and then you yourself sometimes don't put things back where they're supposed to go. So we're going to label some stuff and organize this pantry so that my brain doesn't hurt, because when it's like this, and I've been super busy, but guys, this rack here we're gonna change out eventually, but that's for another video, not right now. We're gonna keep these, but today let's organize and see if we can put things in order so we can actually walk into this pantry, and you are going to do it with me. We actually cook almost every day. We cook. If I don't do like extra cooking where we'll have stuff for like the next day, we cook in this house. Hence the reason we have, you know, the things that we have in the pantry, and it saves you money. If you cook at home, you are actually saving money so you can do other things with your family. I try to keep like things together so that things are easier to find when you go into the pantry. All right, so prior to starting, I made soapy water because I was going to be wiping stuff down that's in need of wiping. I got a small table and put to the side where I'll be taking some stuff out. Let's get into it. Where to start? Guys, this took 2.5 hours. I kid you not. And I had my children helping me, like, you know, throwing out empty bottles, like refilling some of the other stuff. Oh my gosh, 2.5 hours in this small pantry. Comment down below if you saw anything in this pantry that you use. That is my seasoned to the bone. We've got to have seasoned to the bone. I've got 2 different types of seasoned to the bone seasoning in here. Oh my gosh, it makes the food taste so good. So if you don't have that in your pantry, you are missing out. The good old Maggie. I want to say that one's almost done, so we're going to just pour that into something else and get rid of some of the bottles. All right, so let's make a motivational video out of this. I'll include audio. All right, so let's do this.
If you're unloved, let go. If they choose someone or something over you, move on. Not everyone you love will stay. Not everyone you trust will be loyal. I don't care about losing people who don't want to be in my life anymore. I've lost people who meant the world to me, and I'm still doing just fine. Always speak how you feel, and never be sorry for being real. You may not be able to control every situation and its outcome, but you can control your attitude and how you deal with it. Do good. It will come back to you in unexpected ways. Be happy with what you have while working for what you want. Remember that some things have to end for better things to begin. Small minds discuss other people, gossip. Good minds discuss events. Great minds discuss ideas.
Man gives the award. God gives the reward.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name.
this far, this is what we are looking like so far. It feels so light. Like you can literally go in here and put your hands on everything. I told the kids, whatever you move, put it back. Just put it back in the spot. And I'm going to be doing the same thing. So the fact that it's so nice and clean right now, it will stay this way for a very, very, very long time. And yeah, this pantry has food in it because, like I said earlier in the video, we cook in this house. I like to know what we're eating. Plus, we were not brought up that way. Look, pan the good old soul fabitas. Who used to take this when them little? Put up your hand. Put up your hand in the comment section if you took this when you were little. Oh my gosh. My mother used to line us up orange or grapefruit with sugar. Oh my God. It's the worst. And I bought it and we barely even use it, but we should. Of course, I have my little Jamaican side in here. Every time we go to the supermarket, whatever we like to eat from home, we would buy it. Especially the cock soup, curry. We bring curry from home. We are never out of curry. Which Jamaican kitchen out of curry? I'm mad? Never. And then we'll get the Milo and we'll get Lasco. We'll try to bring Lasco from home. The Lasco is sold on Amazon, but it's too expensive. I'm tired. I'm done. It has to stay clean.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.